Are you curious about how to power up your diet with plant-based proteins? Whether you're a seasoned vegan, considering cutting back on meat, or simply looking to diversify your nutritional intake, the world of plant-based proteins offers many benefits and delicious options. Plant-based proteins are derived from plants and are an excellent alternative to animal-based proteins. Let us look at some common plant-based protein sources and their benefits. Legumes. Beans, lentils, chickpeas, and peas are rich in protein and fiber. Nuts and seeds. Almonds, walnuts, chia seeds, flax seeds, and hemp seeds provide protein, healthy fats, and other essential nutrients. Whole grains. Quinoa, brown rice, barley, and oats contain protein and important vitamins and minerals. Soy products. Tofu, tempeh, and edamame are high in protein and often used as meat substitutes. Seitan. Made from gluten, seitan is a high-protein meat substitute that is popular in vegetarian diets. Vegetables. Some vegetables, like spinach, broccoli, and Brussels sprouts, contain small amounts of protein. Let us compare plant-based proteins and animal proteins by looking at different factors. Amino acid content. Animal proteins are generally considered complete proteins, meaning they contain all essential amino acids in sufficient quantities. Examples include meat, poultry, fish, eggs, and dairy. In contrast, many plant-based proteins are incomplete, lacking one or more essential amino acids. However, some plant-based proteins, such as quinoa, soy, and buckwheat, are complete. To ensure a balanced intake of all essential amino acids, combining different plant proteins, like beans and rice, can be effective. Protein quality and digestibility. Animal proteins tend to have higher digestibility and biological value, meaning the body can more easily use them for protein synthesis. On the other hand, some plant-based proteins have lower digestibility due to fiber and other components. However, this can often be improved through cooking and processing methods, making plant proteins more accessible for the body. Additional nutrients. Animal proteins are rich in certain nutrients such as omega-3 fatty acids, especially from fish, vitamin B12, heme iron, and vitamin D. In contrast, plant-based proteins often contain fiber, antioxidants, vitamins, and minerals that are less prevalent in animal proteins. Effect on heart health. High consumption of red and processed meats, which are animal proteins, is linked to an increased risk of heart disease and certain cancers, likely due to their saturated fat and cholesterol content. In contrast, plant-based proteins are associated with lower risks of heart disease, lower cholesterol levels, and better blood pressure control, thanks to their higher fiber and antioxidant content. Risk of chronic diseases. High intake of certain animal proteins, especially processed meats, is associated with an increased risk of type 2 diabetes, certain cancers, and other chronic conditions. Conversely, diets rich in plant-based proteins are linked to lower risks of type 2 diabetes, cancer, and other chronic diseases. By switching to plant-based proteins, you not only nourish your body with high-quality nutrients but also contribute to a more sustainable and kinder world. Start your journey toward a healthier, more vibrant lifestyle today and embrace plant-based nutrition to transform your health. For related articles and updates, look at the description below. We hope you found this video useful. Please like and subscribe to keep connected. Thank you.